Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to set up Gmail to send and receive emails from custom domains. So just a heads up, I don't have um, any custom domain email. So I'll guide you through the steps to make your email game professional and personalized. So to get started, open your Gmail inbox and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. So here's where you'll find the option to add another email address. This is where you can link your custom domain. So, follow the prompts to enter your custom email address and complete the verification process. So, this usually involves receiving and confirming a verification code. So, once verified, you can choose whether to use your custom email address as your default from address. This way, your emails will appear professional and branded. You can also set up Gmail to receive emails sent to your custom domain. This involves adding your custom email address as a check mail from other accounts options. And that's it. You've learned how to set up Gmail to send and receive emails from custom domains. Elevate your email communication with personalized touch. And thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to set up Gmail for custom domains. See you on my next video.